I just think it's disgraceful, quite honestly.
Tens of thousands of people still waiting for their tax refund from the state of Connecticut.
And they've reached out to the I-Team to look into why there is this unusual delay. Your consumer investigative reporter, Cassidy Williams, joins us now to explain what's going on here. Cassidy.
Well, the state says around 30,000 people are still waiting for their 2024 state tax refund. A tax preparer we spoke with says he's never seen delays like this in his more than 20-year career. And if the wait goes on too long, all taxpayers could end up paying the price. Joyce Jeffrey logs on to check her Connecticut tax refund every day.
I did call many times. You're on hold forever. I did get a human being once. And what she said to me is, yeah, well, we're backed up.
She filed her taxes back on March 12th, and she's waiting on $1,600.
What does that $1,600 mean to you?
Well, there's several things. Medication. So, sure, $1,600 could have helped with some of those bills that have come through since January.
Last week, the Department of Revenue Services put out a memo that says 30,000 people are in a similar boat, waiting, and that everyone should expect their refund or a notice by July 19th.
July 19th from March. Again, I think it's totally unacceptable, and I wonder why. Why? Why is it being held up? No one can answer that question.
So we asked the state that question. A spokesperson for the Department of Revenue Services says every year returns are run through a system to screen for fraud to make sure the money goes to the right person. And this year there was an increase in fraudulent activity requiring more than 50,000 returns to be manually screened. And that slows down the process. But DRS has already stopped $8 million worth of invalid returns.
So Jeffrey will keep checking, and it turns out
Maybe, Cassidy, you brought us some luck.
her return now says processed and that the money should be in her account in a few days. But she worries about other families still waiting.
I can't imagine a family of four, a family of a single mother and a child, not getting a tax refund in a timely manner.
Now, Connecticut is required to pay you interest on your money if you don't get your refund within 90 days from the deadline. A DRS spokesperson says they are confident all refunds will be returned before that 90 days hit. Your consumer investigative reporter, Cassidy Williams, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.